Welcome back, Mongo Fix. Today, Mongo working on a 2007 GMC Acadia. You know, the big fancy SUV thing. Today, we're doing the cabin air filter on it. Mostly because Mongo good buddy who owned this truck didn't know it had a cabin air filter. Right there's the door for it. These are pretty simple one to change. This is the little thing that lets the glove box slowly fall so it doesn't just drop out on you. Inside it's got a little button thing. So you take this arm, pull it up to where it releases. On the inside you can see that little button. Now it can go through. Come on. There we go. That's out. And then it's got these two little button knob things. Push a little bit of pressure off the glove box. Let's see, turn it to that way. And it slides right out. When it's in position, this is the little stopper. So that way the glove box doesn't fall all the way out. We do the same on this one. And now it goes out. Still got a hand on the glove box. Now the glove box will fall all the way down. Uh-oh, and the little thing came out. It's not a big deal if that falls out. You pretty much align it there. And it'll go back in there. Don't panic, you didn't break it, it's fine. Now we have access to the little door access area for the cabin air filter. And it's got some tabs, you gotta push them. You gotta push those tabs to release it. Come on. Oh, uh-oh. Now you want to go slow because you can kind of see in there. We've only moved it back a little bit and it's full of leaves. So if we move this back a little bit more, there's more leaves. Now you can just pull it out, but you might lose some leaves into the HVAC system itself. So before you pull it all the way out, just stop right there. Get your trusty vacuum cleaner set up. And what we'll do is we'll start sucking those leaves out as we slowly pull the door out. Mongo guessing this one hasn't been changed much, but you never know. Now we can pull this filter all the way out, get a look at it in the sun. And it's pretty dirty, quite a bit of debris. Mongo's seen much worse though. Mongo run up to Oreilly's and pick up just a microguard basic cabin air filter. Their part number 4043, just for reference. You can spend a ton of money on these with, you know, the HEPA ones and everything. Mongo just get regular. It looks like it carbon activated or whatever.
It cleans and freshens air entering your vehicle's ventilation system. How lovely.
And it comes with the instructions for this. How about that? That way, if you didn't know how to do it at home, it's got all the instructions.
Open the glove box. Unclip the damper arm from the right side of the glove box. Remove the two stops that secure the glove box by turning them counterclockwise. Remove the glove box from its hinges.
You don't have to do that, just let it drop.
Unclip the four tabs on the filter tray to remove it from the housing. Install the new filter into the tray with the airflow indicator arrow pointing down. Reinstall the tray and make sure it latches back into the housing.
That's just fantastic. They're actually good instructions too, and a couple different languages. Very nice. So there should be an arrow here. Oh, there we go. So that's the way the airflow goes. Oh, it made an USA too. Very nice. If you're not sure which way it goes, when you pull your filter out, it too should have an arrow somewhere. Just make sure you don't, flip it around or anything. There we go. So the airflow is down. So we're just gonna make this one match that one. Mongo not sure what brand this one is, but it was made in China. That looked like the part number. Or maybe that one. Or maybe that one. Mongo don't know. Either way, we get that one out. And slide that new one in. If for whatever reason you didn't know which direction the airflow goes for this HVAC unit, because some are different. Some are updraft, some are downdraft, some are right draft, some are left draft. But if you ever didn't know, just turn your car on and turn the HVAC system on. So we put the key in, and the fan's already on. You can hear the fan going, and we'll take that wrapper, and you can see it's pulling it down. You gotta be real careful doing this because what you stick in there may clog the fan, destroy it, wreck it. You're just looking to see which direction the airflow is going. And we know it's now going down. And we can slide our tray inside there and make sure it seats all the way. There we go. Then we can tilt our glove box up, and then we can insert our little stoppers, start them off in kind of the down position, then spin it to the right. This one will do the down position, and you'll notice it doesn't want to fit in there. Now we'll put it in the up position, and you'll notice it slides right in. Then we can twist it, and then we have to realign our little bar track thingy so it goes in the hole, just like that, and push it down so it latches. Then we can shut our glove box, do a quick test, make sure it still drops slowly. Now we have a fresh cabin air filter in our 2007 GMC Acadia. Mongo does like that there is cabin air filters in cars, because that is pretty nasty and full of a bunch of junk. And better off the filter catching it than you breathing it. Well, hopefully this video helped you. If you got a GMC Acadia that has a cabin air filter that you want to replace, it's a pretty simple process and you can do it yourself real easy without any tools whatsoever. Well, if you like this video, be sure to like this video. If you like this video and other videos from Mongo Fix, be sure to subscribe. Mongo always working on all sorts of stuff. Mongo, thank you.